And hey guys, how's it going? I haven't posted a video in a long time. I know. I'm going. Okay, so here we go. Mission bonus. So I have 74. What do you call them? Diamonds. So I'll go over to shop and see this costs 89. So I just need a bit of diamonds. So if I watch these videos, they give me diamonds money. So I hate the commercial. Not sponsoring anything. By the way, I'm not sponsoring anything. Oh, really? Oh, nice. Oh, wow. Such a cool game. Don't like it. And what do I get? I think I get money or diamonds. Of course, you get money. Oh, crap. That's a lot of money.
Don't be surprised.
Dang. Not sponsoring the Let Go, make money selling on Let Go, get it now app or whatever. $6.99. $180 for a PS4. Wow. $150 for an Apple Android phone. $800. Oh, let's see. I get more money, right? Jump. $232. Piece of garbage. I don't feel like watching another video.
I do.
So, I don't. So, guys, as you can see, I can do a World Cup, but I'm gonna have to. Never mind. I got a new car. Ready? 3, 2, 1. What's up? Got the new Saturn car. I got it in a I didn't get it in a race, but yeah. So I have police version of everything. My cousin lost his phone right now, but he has.
No, I didn't lost my phone. My dad took it away from me.
Yeah. He has Mozzarella.
Hot Skull, Phoenix,
and Champion. And
I have Commando.
Oh yeah, and he has Commando way over here. He has Commando. And here's the thing. I have Champion, Stallion, Phoenix, Hot Skull, Magic Ace, Commando, and Dun Sutter. As you guys can see, if you just look at all the coins I have for these cards, it's a lot. 52, 65, 41, 9, not him, and 17 for him. For Valentino, I got 65 because this just red 65. And her, I got 19, 60. Oh, we can upgrade, yes. Ooh, a pipe thing. How much is that gonna cost? Let's watch a video. But people, oh my god, this game app. I don't like
that
it.
app.
I mean, game. This commercial I don't like. Look, it's like instant death. Like, so quick. Like, you download the game, you ain't gonna get that high in the game that quick, and your character's gotta look that epic, so it's just like garbage. Nice to show you what you're gonna look like, but no. Nope. I'm about to hit stage 5, people. Wow. You know what? I feel good about myself. You know what I'm gonna do? 10 diamonds. Stage 5! Okay, what increases my speed? Ooh. Dang, that's a lot. Okay, let's go back. Skins. This is what I'm saving up for this. But hell no, that ain't ever happening. This stuff costs a lot of money. The more higher level cars, they expect you to have more money, so let's just go back. Let's race, people. Let's see what I get in. Whoa. Let's see what I get in. Hopefully I get in a good place. Yes. Go. Oh! 360. 360. Nope. Oh, she's Big Daddy. Oh, so close, Big Daddy. That's actually his name too, Big Daddy in the game. Oh, damn. Wow. They're just rude. Dang.
They're mean to They're rude
Watch
to
this.
ladies.
Wow. I'm just passing them. Wow. No. Commando. Take this from me. Okay, Big Daddy. You asked for it, bro. No. No. Huh. That was funny. You know I got hurt. Without that. Even though I came in third, I feel good about myself because that ending with Commando, it was so funny. It was funny. Real funny. Like chicken noodle. Come on.
Louie was the one trying to kick our door open.
Blah, blah, blah. That dumbass.
Yes, you are.
Next race. Let's see what place I get in. Guys, after these, I'm going to show you guys how good I do in training. In training, I practically just come in first every single time. Oops. In training, I practically just come in first. It's just like, hello, first place, man. Training? I like training because it doesn't use gas. Training doesn't use gas, which is a good thing. See, watch. To race it to me. Which is fine. One time, me and my cousin over here, hey, Jordan, say hey. Hey. So we stayed up until about 1, and I just kept watching videos on my phone. What is it called? Videos so that I could get, so I can get more gas. Like every video you watch, you get free gas. I just kept doing that for about 2 hours. He ended up falling asleep, so I watched the video and did that. And then eventually I got to 1,000 gas, and I just wasted it. Just racing and racing and racing. Because usually I race so much in this game when it doesn't matter. In these here, I race
You just told me that.
yeah. See guys, I feel good. I came first. Feel real good. Ding. How do they both fit in that single car? I'm almost level. Oh crap. 21 races, then I'm level 15. Oh, I don't like this app. If you just keep clicking the back button, eventually it goes away. Oh, wow. Wait, guys. I don't know if you guys just saw this or not, but
My mom said me and Jake my mom said
I'm all about that fancy stuff, so
Kiana's using my
this one is bigger. No, I don't want to install. Shoot. It was a big button. Yay, I like it. But what about the couch? I don't like that ugly couch. No. Oh, wow. Double reward. Wow, I got the police version of, what is it called? Magic Ace. Yay, so happy. But guess what, guys? I already have the police version. So last round. What? Yeah, I believe this is the last round. I said 2, guys. I do flip so I do a flip. Crap, I didn't hit it 3 times, I hit it twice. I think I can catch that much. Didn't need it. Oh! By an inch! Watch this. Bye, champion. Dang! Nope, you ain't catching me. Go! I can't let champion beat me. No! How dare him! He beat me! That's the first car you get in the whole game, right, Julian? Yeah. Oh, I hate what Big Daddy is. Frick you.
It's like we had a deal that you were coming first. And plus there were girls in there.
Wow. This is weird. Damn it, my speed is 123%. Dang, that phone is running off. This is gonna show love for the phone system. Big guys. One of the skins. Oh! Wrecked 2 cars in one. Oh, dang, Big Daddy. You messed up hard, didn't you? I hit this for a reason, because then I can get this and just do this. Oh, shit. Hey, Big Daddy, what's yours? That was funny. I think I'm gonna win. Oh no! He was saving it! That's what he did! He saved it, but he was so far behind, it didn't even matter. First place people. Okay, let's see my results. First. What is the first? Fourth, first. Oh my goodness. I'm getting really glitched. Okay, let's show you guys, like, I'm legitimate the best racer in training. I swear to God, if I just come in for fourth every single time, I'm gonna be pissed. Come on, come on, come on. Race offline. This is quicker because it doesn't know what's training for. I got reverse nitro that I just can't stop that. Almost pretty much good. Didn't even hit off that one. Don't worry, Sunset's about to get hit off the edge in a second. No, bro, big blow. Wow, you know what you did. Crap! They just passed me. Yes, only one. Yeah, but that's what I'm going to hit him with nitros. Oh, don't worry guys, next race will be better. Next race is gonna be last though. So we gotta hurry up, go, 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 go. No, not World Cup. Training, training, come on, go, 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 go. Next race is last race, then we're in the video though. Oh my god, easy. This is bad. Give me reverse nitros. Reverse nitro again. And guys, I'm saving up. Boom. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh! Wait a minute. Oh! I'm going for a long run. I'm going for it. I'm going for it. Again. Watch this, guys. Ding, ding, ding! I came in first. The 4 second, nice.
Well, bye guys. He's ending the video because his phone is hot.
Yeah, see you guys next time. Bye. How do I end this? Oh, yeah.